Hey, YouTubers. I want to take a couple minutes and talk about how the majority of your constitutional rights under New Jersey's state constitution haven't been upheld by New Jersey Supreme Court. And probably the most important right that any of us have is the right to due process. And what the right to due process, at least the right to procedural due process, means is that the government has to give us notice and an opportunity to be heard before they deprive us of a life, liberty, or property interest. Now this is going a little too deep for most lay people, but out of each one of the 50 states, there's also a state constitution, which many times extends the federal protections contained in the U.S. Constitution. New Jersey's Constitution contains a right to a trial by jury in almost every single instance. Well, what's funny is, in the course of the last 70 years, the New Jersey Supreme Court has said that the right to a trial by jury does not apply to equity matters. It does not apply to child support matters. It does not apply to divorce and palimony matters. It does not apply to civil commitments, domestic violence restraining orders, misdemeanor trials, any kind of municipal court trial, even though the term municipal court isn't even mentioned in the founding document. Think to yourself, folks, 70 years ago, when the 1947 state constitution was being drafted, the founders included these protections because they felt that no government or no judge could be trusted with deciding these matters alone. And that's why they wanted your peers to be the only ones that could pass judgment on you. With that being said, each and every viewer that sees this video should be just a bit alarmed about how narrowly your constitutional rights under the state constitution have been interpreted, and more or less how the right to a trial by jury under the New Jersey Constitution has been eviscerated.